after the revelation of the alleged offshore accounts of COMELEC Chief George Erwin Garcia. A press conference was conducted revealing the accounts said to be connected to the chairman. Kyle Lahin tells us more.
Sugi Party List Representative Rodante Marcoleta has submitted a resolution to the House of Representatives calling for an investigation into the alleged acceptance of bribe and corruption in Miro Systems by Commission on Election or COMELEC Chief George Erwin Garcia. It can be remembered that on July 9, Marcoleta first issued a statement in a press conference where he mentioned about the offshore accounts that is connected to a high-ranking COMELEC official. However, Garcia immediately provided a statement that he already knew Marcoleta was referring to him and that he can make sure he doesn't have a single offshore account with the help of the National Bureau of Investigation or NBI. According to Marcoleta, during the continuous investigation, they found out 2 of the Cayman Islands account is still existing until July 26, 2024, with 2 successful deposits recently in the account with the name of George Erwin Mojica Garcia.
Material sa akin Ang material sa akin, existido yung mga account at nasa pangalan niya, pati yung address na ginamit niya, verified na nandito by simply depositing $100 each in those 2 accounts na ipakita that the accounts are verified na nasa pangalan niya and they are existing and active. To me, that is important kasi sabi niya, wala siyang accounts Bakit ngayon po lumilitaw? 2 pang napatunayan ko, hindi lang isa. Kasi sabi niya, kahit isa, wala po akong offshore account.
Additionally, some suspicious deposits were also made into offshore accounts from another account associated with legitimate banks in South Korea, whose depositors are allegedly members of Miro Systems. Meanwhile, Chairman Garcia gave a statement yesterday against Marcoleta's allegations.
Actually po, una po, parehas lang po naman yung mga sinabi. Kung ano yung hawak natin na white paper at yung bang binanggit ng press con, nung unang press con, ay parehas po, wala pong pinag-iba. Sabi ko nga po, pinanumpaan ko na po yun. Hanggang kanina naman po, wala naman po nanunumpa doon sa akusasyon at aligasyon. Yun po yung hamon natin. Sana naman po mapanumpaan din sapagkat basic po yun. Yung nagdi-deny, nanunumpa, yung nag-aakusa, walang panunumpa. Paano naman po, ako makakasuhan ako ng perjury kung nagsisinungaling ako. Paano naman po yung nag-aakusa kung mali ang kanyang akusasyon?
In addition to this, the information shown by Marcoleta, especially the New York Bank, based on Garcia is a newly opened account, and there were no copy of it in the resolution given to him.
Number 1. Number 2, mukha po yung pinakita kanina, lalo yung New York Bank. Bagong account po yun, wala po yun sa original na white paper, original na binigay sa atin, pinareceive ng isang dating kongresista dito, at wala rin po yun doon sa na-press con. Sapagkat paano namin nalaman, 4 na numero na nandun sa account na yun ay wala po't hindi tumutugma sa kahit anong account number na pinrovide. Ibig sabihin, bagong bukas na account po ito.
This is Kyle Lahin for EuroTV News.